Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something always very cool and delicious. Al bacio, like always. It's very easy but absolutely delicious. I'm gonna show you what we need today. Well, I'm going to make a courgette roll. You can put inside into this roll everything you like. I'm gonna show you my way. And I'm going to show you what we need. Courgette. First step, courgette. Is this what we need? I already did. You have to cut the courgette really thin. Okay? Something like that. Very thin. Because we're gonna try to grill quickly. Some oil in the pan. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel and check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now, we waited the oil, it's gonna be a little bit put our courgette. They're gonna be quickly, okay? This is 1.5 courgette, okay, zucchini. Later I told you, depend how big you want this roll. But it's cool, it's very nice. This is the part more, where is more work. Just quickly, few minutes per side. When they're ready, I'm gonna show you. You see guys, it's gonna be like that, quickly, you know? Because they're very thin. Okay, you do all your courgette. And I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? My courgette, they done? You know, very quickly. All these I maybe it's 10 minutes. Now what we're gonna do, leave them to cool down 10 minutes and I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use for do this roll. Of course we need some salt and pepper. I'm gonna use salmon, cucumber, courgette, some pineapple, some poppy seed, some soft cheese. I'm gonna use a little touch of sweet chili sauce and dried tomatoes, okay? But to be honest, you can use anything you like, everything you like. To cut the courgette or use the knife, I use one of these, okay, from here. Clean film, put on your table, take your time, take one by one, and we start put like that. All the way, how big you like, how long you like, put a little bit courgette, okay? Take your time, no rush. Important is on the top of each other because we're gonna roll it, okay? Like this. Okay, I will finish, you know, like that. Well, I won't finish this and later I'm gonna show you the next step. Very gently you're gonna work, okay? A little touch of salt, pepper, if you like, with some soft cheese, you know, the way you put, you know, is very, this is the most complicated part. Take your time, use a brush if you have, and take your time, do this, and I'm gonna show you the next step. I'm gonna add some salmon. This is good, summertime, you know, because we're gonna eat cold this. It's very nice. Or you can put ham, salami, everything you like. Shave some cucumber, some dried tomatoes if you like. Or fresh, or you can use fresh veggies, carrots, everything guys. Some sweet chili, of course if you like. The pops inside, I like it. This is very nice. Some rocket, And the job is done. How much you like? Nice, beautiful colors, you know. And we see. Okay, well, we're gonna be very careful. Now we're gonna roll it, okay? Put it on the top. Try to roll very tight. You see, guys? Absolutely stunning. Now, okay, now these guys, this going in the fridge around a couple hours, okay? And later we're gonna try it. I think gonna be very nice. 2-3 hours in the fridge. See you later. Guys, my zucchini roll is ready. Look there. It's absolutely amazing. I saw that in the fridge after 1 hour was so soft. Was too soft to cut. And I put it 2 hours in the freezer. Now, still soft, but ready to cut. Okay? Now, it's time to try. And you see, it's cut perfectly. Amazing. I'm impressed. Absolutely delicious. Beautiful. Now, I will try. Yeah, look at that. Wow, it is absolutely delicious, guys. Wow, it's amazing. Oh yeah. What can I say? It's another masterpiece. Absolutely, mwah, al bacio. Guys, my zucchini or courgette roll is this. Always, guys, try it. It's amazing. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.